So this is the window of MS Word, and in this video we will discuss about different components of MS Word and the different options that can be performed using MS Word. So first we discuss about the components of MS Word. As I shown you in a picture, this is quick action toolbar. Here we can perform the tasks which are frequently used, means save, undo and redo are stored in this quick action toolbar, and we can customize this quick action toolbar from here, means we can add different commands also in this quick action toolbar. This is your tab, different tabs available in MS Word, and this is also called as menu bar. The topmost, this red color, is displaying you the title bar, and below this title bar there is a ribbon here, you can see, and this is called as work area or workspace. And in the right side this is scroll bar, this is vertical scroll bar, and you can up and down your page using this scroll bar. And there is another scroll bar here, you can see in the bottom side, this is called as horizontal scroll bar. And this is zoom slider, you can zoom your page according to you. Now this is zoomed at 190%. You can decrease like clicking on this minus symbol. So now this is on, I have set it on 120%. Now this is status bar here, it shows page 1, number of pages and number of words. And this is ruler here, left side, look at this here, look at the cursor, left side is a ruler, and this is the horizontal ruler above side. You can set margins, this is used to set margins, and in left side you can also set the top margin and bottom margin, and you can also set here from indents and other paragraph settings. So now let's look what can we perform using MS Word. So I just tell you about the groups. In this, all the tabs have specific groups. Suppose it is clicked here on home, then different groups are available. Clipboard, font related to the actions are performed using these buttons which are available on ribbon, and there are different groups like clipboard, font, paragraph. The similar actions are grouped together, so this is called as a group, and these are styles group. Now if I click on insert, then these groups will change and the ribbon icons have changed. Now related buttons are here on the ribbon related to this insert tab. Now groups also have changed page, tables, illustrations, add-ins, media, links, comments, header, footer, text and symbols. Now these are the groups in insert tab, and you can see the groups available in design, documents formatting, and ribbon options are like this. Now page layout. In page layout, these are the groups and options available over the ribbon. You can set page setup, paragraph and arrange. In next, references, the groups available are these: table of contents, footnotes, citations and bibliography, captions, index, table of authorities. And in mailing, there are create, start mail merge, write and insert fields, add, preview results and finish. And by clicking on review tab, we find proofing, language, comments, tracking, changes, compare, protect. And in view, we find views, shows, zoom, window and macros. Okay, so these are the different tabs and different groups available in MS Word. Now you can see this is file tab. So this file tab, as I discussed you earlier, this file tab has been replaced in in Word 2010 with the start button or file button here in the 2007. So by clicking the file, you find different options like info, new, save as, print, share, export, close, account, and options. Now we go back to our main window of MS Word. Now just see how can we create a document using MS Word. So first, creating a document. So create any document, click on File tab and select New option. Click on File tab and click on New option. Then this kind of blank document will appear. Click on this blank document, and now this is our first document. Okay. You can create this document using a shortcut command that is called as Ctrl+N. Ctrl+N combination can also create new document. Now let's look how can we save this document. To save this document, click on File and click on Save option. Now the location, where do you want to save this document? Suppose I want to save it on desktop, then click on the desktop, and after that write the name of this document. Suppose I write here my first document. Okay, now click on Save and this document will be saved. So just look where this document has been saved. I minimize this here from. Now I find it here, my first document. It is on the desktop. So I have saved this document over the desktop. Now in this way you can save your document, and another shortcut command to save the document is press Ctrl+S. By pressing Ctrl+S, you can also save your document. So, but there is also another command that is save as. So if you want to create a copy of this document, then you can click on this save as option. So this is the difference between save, means first time if we have to save the document, then we have to click on save, and after any addition, if we want to add something or any editing, then we have to click on save button, and if we have to create the copy, then we can create save as option. Now just look at how can we save our document with a password. So to save this document with a password, then click on file and then save as. After that, create the location, select the location. Suppose next time I am going to save it on desktop also. So this is my second document. Now I modify the name. A second copy will be created here, second document. And now to add password, click on this tools and go to general options, and then this dialog box will appear, general options, and write password here. Suppose I write password here. Okay, so there are two password to open the document and password to modify. Then I am going to write the same password in both the fields, but we can also write different passwords to open and modify. Now click on OK. Now re-enter password to open. Now it's to verify the password. Click on OK. Once again password is being verified. Click on OK. Now my file, second file has been saved. Okay, so look at the desktop where this file has been saved. Okay, so here there are two files, my first document here and second document is here. So first document is without password and second document is with password. Now click on this file. Okay, this is second document. So after closing this document second time, this will ask you for the password. Now write the password, enter the password. I am writing this password. Okay, and now my file will be opened. So because there are two passwords, so it asks for you to enter two password to. So now this is the second document that I have opened with the password. Now just check how can we close a document. So to close a document, go to file here. To close a document, go to file and click on close. Okay, now the document will be closed. Okay, now look at the next option, opening an existing document. So how can we open the document that we have saved earlier in MS Word? So to open the existing documents, if you know the where our file is stored, then you can directly go to the location. Suppose I have saved these two files over the desktop, then by directly clicking on these two options I can open these files. Or if we don't know, or we can open these documents using another method, like click on file here, click on file to open any document, click on file and go to open option here, and then you can find the location or the file that you have saved. So the different options, different files which are available here, you can find them. Okay, or you can find the location over the desktop. We can find these are our two files, my first document and second document. So suppose I have to open this first document, then click on this file and then click on open. Now this file has been opened. So my first document .docx. Okay, now how to exit the Word application? How can we exit? So to exit the Word application, file, click on file and click on close here. Now this document will be closed, and to exit click on file and you can click on this cross button here. So these were the components and different actions that can be performed in the MS Word. So in next chapter we will discuss about editing a document using MS Word.